Nicola KPS1 VTVFTW0 Gaming TV presents. Toris plays epic drums at the street corner / grounded. And was requested by HanifImranAnimator, Vittorio TV under 2003, Python the Plotagonist and Gamer 2020, Tony means Anthony and Mayor Zane. Today, I am going to play epic drums on the street corner. Ha 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 ha. But anyways, I got Caillou's radio.
Wait, what? What was that sound?
I know, right? Andy. Toris, who played at epic drums. Toris. What are you doing? Turn off that radio.
Okay, mister. I was played at epic drums music on Caillou's radio.
Good. Before you banned at street corner. That's it. I am calling your Caillou about this. Hello, Caillou. Hello, the hunk. What can I help? Well, Caillou. Toris, who played epic drums on your radio. She did what? Oh. Thanks for telling me. The hunk. He's still going to get grounded. At home. Oh. Toris. How dare you play epic drums on my radio? You can't do this. And you put max volume. The hunk and Andy with bleeding ears.
That's it. You are grounded for 89 weeks.
Go to your room now. And don't come out. Until we're tripping to the Italy. Washington, wow. I can't believe Caillou, Boris and Rosie just grounded me. This is worst my life.